So we're at the end of February, and it's 50 some degrees out today, quite warm. So it's time to do a buzz check. What am I looking for? Obviously I'm looking to find live bees in the hives. That's a big starting point. And the second thing I want to do is see, what the food supply looks like in there, whether we have to go back and put a little sugar cake in. And I'm also going to take a peek at the pollen cakes if I can. If they're nibbling on them, that's a good indicator that they're starting to raise brood. If they're ignoring them, then they're probably not in the brood cycle yet. I don't think anybody would have consumed them by now, so it's mainly the sugar. So just going to take a peek in the hives and see what's going on. So with the temperature being in the 50s, they're out and flying. So the first thing to look at is to see if there are bees coming in and out of all the hives. And there are. So that's a very good start. I don't know what's going on over there. There's one hive that, who knows? Find out though. We'll take a look at all these hives. So here's kind of what I want to see. I'm looking down at the pollen cake, and I'm seeing that they're chewing the corners off of it. We got a good pile of bees in there. There's still a good sugar supply, so that's really good news on this hive. I'm hoping that's kind of what I see in the rest of them, but stay tuned. So the last time I looked in this hive, there was only like 1 or 2 bees crawling around. Boy, has that changed. These girls are awake and ready for spring. Still only the end of February, though. We have a little ways to go. But I'm glad to see that you're in the mood to start doing things. So in this hive, the screw fell out where we did the oxalic acid treatment. So this has become an extra entrance. We don't see anybody coming in there, but I've been watching them go in and out. There we go. No, she didn't go out. Extra entrance in the hole. It's only 1/4 of an inch in diameter, but that's all that's needed. Huh. So the last hive we're looking at is Digger's weak hive, and we'll see how they're doing. Very interesting. It looks to me like they're consuming up the pollen patty. That'd be a sign that they're building back up. I mean, I really thought I'd see this one as a dead out. Okay, the winter's not over yet. But so far so good. So we are now again 11 for 11. We lost the one hive that Digger had with the mouse chew out, but the rest of them are buzzing along. I say this each time, we are not out of the woods. I mean, let's face it, you get into March and things can get really serious really fast. Here we are at the end of February, warm day. Hopefully all the very, very heavy cold days are behind us, but so far, so good. I hope to keep giving positive reports like this as compared to coming back and finding, more dead outs, but we're going to try to keep the food going. There's a few of them that have eaten through a lot of the sugar, and that's to be expected now. They're starting to raise brood down there, I believe. No way to know without pulling the hives apart, and it's a little early for that. But remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time from Buzz Park. Goodbye.